So today we're here at the VEX National Australian Competition in Sydney. We love being in Sydney, it's the harbour city of Australia, and it's just got such a great vibe about it.
We've had teams competing across the country in each state, and this is the best of the best from those competitions all together in one place.
Everyone is presented the same game, and everyone gives them the opportunity to come up with their own solution and their own idea and how that game is best played, what strategy is best used, and see which one comes out on top.
We have 2 different competitions happening at once. We have IQ happening in one corner, we have VRC happening behind me. The amount of people here, it is insane.
I didn't know it was going to be this big, but it surprised me when I first walked in. It's been fun.
As I'm looking around the room, I'm really excited by the energy and the creativity that I'm seeing from the kids from primary school through to high school, and that really fills me with a lot of enthusiasm where we're heading as a country.
What we're doing here is real project-based learning where the kids are given a problem. There's no solution for it that's been documented. They've got to find that solution. And that's what's awesome when you look on the tables in the fields, see what their interpretation of the solution looks like. And that's why every team takes a vested interest in everyone else's. If you have a look around, it's not a competition, it's a co-opetition.
The VEX National Championships gives the students the opportunity to see robots from around the country and what their peers have been able to do. And it takes the learning outside of the school and puts them on a national scale. There's no better way to push yourself than seeing what people around the country are doing.
The main things I've learned from VEX has probably been teamwork and communication, as well as just challenging yourself to come up with new ways of thinking about different problems and how to create solutions for them.
It's really important for Ford to be involved in VEX Robotics because of our industry. We have a real need for creativity and engineering prowess. And Ford sees this opportunity at VEX Robotics as vital to our industry as much as it is to the economy.
It's a really good thing if you want to get into engineering in the job field because you go through the design process, you know, all the engineering skills, working in a team, communicating, and I think that's really good life skills.
I'm quite passionate about robotics because it's a lot more hands-on. You get to build, you get to code, you get to do everything, and it's also one of the biggest industries, so it's really exciting.
I recommend VEX Robotics for schools because it's an inclusive platform that allows students to grow across year levels. You can give a student in year 3, 4 a VEX Robotics kit, and that's going to carry on all the way to their university. We've got schools here who are primary schools just starting their education to university students in their 2nd and 3rd year.
It's all about the students' ideas, the students' concepts and their innovation. So it's just an environment where it really lets the other side of education, the other side of learning grow in a way that really I've yet to find another experience that's just quite like it.